Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is January 19th. Hope you enjoyed that longer weekend, and yeah, hopefully you're ready to get back into it, back to the grind, back to that work, um, new opportunities. So yeah, just taking a quick look for the week. Um, Starting off with NQ, I think we're at a very interesting spot here where we're at this pretty important low. I mean, we still have this and this, but I'm definitely watching to see what happens here, whether we want to break and go lower for these lows, or from there move higher, or, you know, break low, then move higher, or, break low, find support or resistance off of this, I'm sorry, and then continue lower for these. So I could do a lot of different things, but I'll definitely watch and see. So, if we do move this low right now, which we already did sweep this low, and I'd just like to see maybe like a market structure shift, which it looks like, we might already be getting that. Um, so it could be interesting to see how it plays out tomorrow. But yeah, I'm still being a little bit careful because, my bias had been bearish for a minute uh, with this SMT right here across ES and YM and NQ, how NQ made that lower high while ES made that higher high. So I'm definitely, being cautious. I don't think it's wrong to look for longing opportunities here, at least up into a premium, maybe into this bearish order block, and then from there inside this gap as well. From there, maybe we move lower, close out the week bearish. Just some ideas we're watching for. And then again, it'll be a lot more clear come Wednesday, just like it would be for like a regular weekday. I think it'll be like rather than Tuesday, it'll be I'm sorry, rather than Monday night, it'll have to be like Wednesday night. Um, but yeah, I'm sorry, Tuesday night, not Wednesday night. But yeah, let's look at let's look at DXY and see what's going on there. So we did find bearishness off this bearish order block once, twice, three times, and then move lower from there. Um, we're also inside of this bullish order block. If the bias is bullish, then we should find support off of it. But an idea I'm watching for is potentially inverting this and then moving lower into this discount. You got this low right here, this FEG inside of it, this FEG. You got this order block, and then if you do break below this, then that'll be another like concern. Maybe go for these lows or this. But for now, I'm just watching what we do from here inside of this order block. Maybe we do go higher and then find some type of longing opportunity. But for now, moving lower down into discount aligns with that bullish NQ bias I had. So yeah, definitely watching. Maybe we find resistance off of the bearish order block, invert it, and then move lower from there, and then start making our way lower. Or maybe we find support and move higher. It'll just come a lot more clear throughout the week. And then quick look at ZB. Um, See, I already had seen this, and it's looking a lot like that consolidation idea that I really like looking at, where we have a consolidation and then a move outside of the consolidation, and like a clear move outside of the consolidation, which is this right here, sweeping the low, and then from there making our way back into the range. Uh, so yeah, I mean, sweep the low inside this bullish FEG, and then move higher. This could also align with that bullish NQ bias potentially. Um, and then yeah, I'm not. I'm just gonna be very careful right now. I'm just waiting for more confirmation. Maybe an SMT here. Potentially, I'm waiting for this candle to close out. Maybe ES might make that a higher low or lower low while NQ does the opposite. maybe this becomes that SMT later on. Um, yeah, but definitely watch it for more confirmation in the form of like a longer term, longer or higher time frame, longer term market structure shift, or some type of smart money divergence um, on the higher time frame, similar to what we had last week, what we were looking at. Other than that, I hope you found this pretty insightful, and just take care, be safe.